This channel makes $12,000 a day. The content that they post is AI generated, where you can see this marble ball jumping and it's synchronized with the music. Check this out. Their videos get hundreds of thousands of views. And if we look at their stats in Social Blade, you can see that on average, they get 2.4 million views per day. Let's take a very conservative revenue per 1,000 views RPM of $5 and we'll multiply that by 2,400,000. So 2.4 million, we get $12,000 per day revenue. This is a serious business. They're making $12,000 per day. There are tons of smaller channels that are doing the same, very similar videos. Look at these 69 million views, 40 million views. Here is another channel, again, getting tens of millions of views with these kind of videos. And here is how you can start making those videos as well. And you can do this using this app called BitBounce. You can install BitBounce from the App Store for your iPhone, or you can install it from the Android store. Once you've installed it on your phone, there are two ways that you can go about making the videos. The first is to just play the pre-made songs that are already there in the app. So as an example, we can go into the Swan Lake over here. I recommend to go with the easy mode, and you can also enable this record option, which is going to record the screen on your phone, and then you can just upload this video from your phone. So now if I'm going to hit record, and you can see now it's just recording this song with the melody. And so basically once it's done, you can just upload it from your phone. Now while it was recording, there was no sound, but when you actually play it on your phone, there is going to be sound. Look at this. So you can see this is ready to go. The second way to make a more customized music and more customized levels, you go into user levels, and then you can click on plus level editor. And now you've got two ways of going about it. You can load a sample that basically takes a MIDI sample that are already preloaded into the app, or you can create new, and that will ask you to import your own MIDI sample. So you will need to create a MIDI sample from a song that you would like to make and to process in this game. It gives you some services that allow you to create your MIDI files. For simplicity, for this video, I'm going to use load a sample, and we're going to now go into just to Jingle Bells. And here it's got the whole editor for you that's already built in. It's crazy, guys. You can choose your balls. So if you want to change which actual ball is being used, you can do that here from this menu. You can change the lighting, day, night, evening, etc. You can change the texture of the walls that you would like to use. There's tons of options here. And then the whole thing is laid out for you in a very easy format to edit. So there are objects, so you can choose the appearance of these objects. For example, you can change the shape of this tube, like you can see over here. You can zoom out, you can zoom in, you can pan the camera. Okay, so we can change the angle, the way that we're looking at this. We can add new objects, so you can just click this plus button and you can add new rails, new tube, new plane. So if I wanted to add rails, I can do this. I can just click rails, and then you will see that it's adding the rails here for me. Okay, and so just a little kind of secret that I found to create this initial world, what you should do is you should click next object. At the very start, click next object, and it's going to actually create all of these objects for you. So go ahead, and you will see in the top right, it says percentage completed. So just complete every single object until it's 100% complete. Okay, once it's going to be 100% complete, this is AI creating the actual world for you. All right, now that you've got 100% complete, that means now AI has created the level for you, and you can basically do any editing that you want. But the whole animation is now complete based on your MIDI file. And if you wanted to like preview it, then you can just click preview. Okay, so you can make any changes that you want now because AI has done all of that work for you to create the initial file. So now let's talk about monetization and how you can actually get hundreds of thousands and millions of views with this. My favorite source of traffic is YouTube search. And if you want to target your videos to rank in YouTube search, you need to optimize them for YouTube search. So let's do some keyword research. The big thing that people search for who are interested in this kind of videos is marble music. So if we type in marble music and you go immediately before marble music and you press the underscore key, you will actually see all of the words or searches that people search for that contain marble music on the end. So you'll see there is Baby Shark marble music, Happy Birthday marble music, Believer marble music, and so forth. So people are actually actively searching for these. They want to watch those videos. And as an example, if we look at Believer marble music, well, here we go. We've got all of these videos with millions and millions of views with marble music. So you want to be targeting these, and this is exactly how you do this keyword research. So you go in, marble music, space, go just before the space, underscore, and then you can see everything that people are searching for. You can create all of this music, you can create these music videos, and you will be attracting search traffic from YouTube. Now, to get even more granular, go one before and click A, and then A underscore like this, and you will see everything that starts with A. Okay, so that's gonna give you tons and tons more ideas. Then you do the same thing with B, underscore B marble music. So that's everything that starts with B. Then you can do the same thing with C, same thing with D, and you're gonna get ideas for thousands and thousands of different videos that you can actually create. Once you make these videos, then of course it's very important, see how this video over here has got those keyword terms in the title. So Believer marble music, because you need to have it in the title in order for your video to actually be picked up by YouTube and to be ranked for anyone who searches for Believer marble music. And once you're getting the views, you can enable the ads on your videos and start making the money. If you guys thought this was a cool way of making money, then go to fastervideos.com and check out my course plus mastermind community. You can grab free limited time access. In this course, we're actually teaching you short form content creation and how we currently make about $1,000 a day with it and how you can do the same. So to grab the access, go to fastervideos.com. It's a free trial for 7 days, so you can check it out and see if it's something that you like. If you enjoyed this video, then please click the like button just below and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And after you've done that, go ahead and watch this video next. In this video, I'm going to show you some other awesome ways to make money with video and AI. I really hope you enjoy this video as well. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.